Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize BigQuery for AI data transformation workflows step by step clearly. First, ensure you have a Google Cloud account set up and logged in. Navigate to the Google Cloud console. Select the project you wish to use for BigQuery. In the left sidebar, click on I am an admin, choose service accounts from the drop-down menu. Click on Create Service Account at the top of the page. In the dialog box that appears, enter a name for your service account. Provide a brief description of the account's purpose. Click Create to proceed. Now, assign roles to your service account for BigQuery access. Select BigQuery Admin or a role that suits your needs from the Roles dropdown. Click Continue to move on to the next step. You can skip granting users access in this step by clicking Done. Once the service account is created, find it in the list and click on the Service Account Details page, click on Keys. Select Add Key and then choose JSON for the key type. A JSON file will automatically download to your computer. Store this file securely, as it contains your service account credentials. Next, navigate back to the BigQuery console. Click on BigQuery in the left sidebar. Open the dataset you want to work with. Click Share Dataset in the Dataset Details area. In the Add Members section, input the service account email you created. Select the appropriate permissions for your use case. Click Done after setting permissions. Now, open your AI data transformation tool or script. Locate the section where you configure authentication. Upload or point to the JSON key file you downloaded earlier. Test the connection to ensure the setup is correct. Once authenticated, you can start using BigQuery for your AI data transformation workflows. You are now ready to leverage BigQuery's capabilities in your AI projects. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.